Today's lesson is lesson 135, Identifying Supplementary Angles. So here I have two angles. I have angle ABC and CBD. Angle ABC is 120 degrees and angle CBD is 60 degrees. If I add these two angles together, 120 degrees plus 60 degrees, that equals 180 degrees. If two angles that are next to each other have a sum of 180 degrees, they are called supplementary angles. Okay. So if you find supplementary angles, there are two angles next to each other, and they have to add to equal 180 degrees. So here I have the angle EFG, which equals 45, and HFG, which equals 135. So these two angles, if I add them together, are going to equal 180. So let's try. 135 plus 45 degrees. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So these two angles are supplementary because when I add them together, it equals 180 degrees. Okay, if I wanted to, I can make a design using these two supplementary angles. And I'm start off by making marks between F and H that are the same distance apart and labeling them 1 through 7. And I'm going to do the same thing going from F to E, okay, and go 1 through 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to label those. Okay, and do the same thing going from G to F, but I'm going to start with number 1 being up here by G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you'd want to get these as closely even spaced as you could. It's easier to do that with a ruler, but I'm just going to do the best I can. Okay, so to make a design, I'm going to connect the numbers, the same numbers, using a curved line. Okay, so for example, we would go from the 1 to the 1, okay, and the 1 to the 1, the 2 to the 2, and you want to try to curve your lines a little bit. 2 to the 2, 3 to the 3, 3 to the 3, 4 to the 4, 4 to the 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you used a better curve, it looks a little bit better than my drawing. But you may be able to do that on your homework. Okay, so if I were to do it again, it would basically look a little bit like this, but not easily. Okay. So, and you can just continue and trying to draw your shape by connecting the like numbers. Okay. And that is basically it. That's all there is for this lesson. So enjoy trying to make this little shape. It's not working so well for mine, but it's probably will do better for yours. It's kind of coming together. There we go. And yeah, that's it for this lesson. So good luck on your homework.